Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to register on AliExpress. The first step is to visit the AliExpress website. So just open your browser and go to aliexpress.com, which we have here. Now, once you click on that, it's going to open up the website. In the website, you're going to see the option that says welcome, sign in/register in the top right corner of the home page. Now go ahead and click on register. Register because we want to register afresh. You can register using your email address, and you can register using your Gmail, or you can register using Facebook, or you can register using X, whichever one you choose. So go ahead and select your preferred method. I'm definitely going to use Google because it's pretty much an easy process. So I'm going to choose an account. I'm going to click on continue. And I'm just going to wait for AliExpress. Ta-da! Here you go. I've registered successfully. How do I know? Head over to the right corner to top right corner of the screen and you see me. That's my name now. Hi, Amanda. Welcome back, Amanda. You see that my account has been created. So I didn't have to go through the process of verifying my account. However, if you're using an email registration, then you're going to have to enter your email and address. You have to create a strong address. You also have to enter your phone number, select your country code, create a password, read and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Then, of course, if you're going to use an email registration, you may receive a verification mail. So go ahead and check your email and click on the verification link. If it is mobile registration, you receive a verification code with SMS. So enter the code in the provided field. And after verifying your account, log into your new account and go to your account settings to complete your profile if you want to. You can add your shipping address, payment methods, and other preferences. Once you're done, start shopping. You can now browse and shop on AliExpress. Use the search bar or categories to find products. And for a better shopping experience, go ahead and consider downloading the AliExpress mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store to have fun with that. By following the steps, you can easily register on AliExpress and start shopping. So go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.